Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago. As can you see, I can unlock the device with my face right now, and now I'll make a 5 of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast and how useful this feature is here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works here really fast. I just can unlock the device less than in 1 second, so I think that's a good result. And so you can just use the device not only here near your face, like near the 5 or 10 millimeters of your face, so you just can do it so maybe in 40-50 centimeters by your face. So I think that the face unlock method works here really good, fast, and that's really useful feature, and useful unlock method. So I think you should try this unlock method on your device if you, for example, just don't like the methods like the passwords or passcodes. So you just can try this unlock method on our Realme 9 Pro. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.